In this video, we're going to go over the two sounds of OO and practice reading some words with those two different sounds. The first sound that OO makes is oo. Ooh. Our first word with the oo sound is hoop. Oop. Hoop. Oot. Boot. Oop. Scoop. Ood. Food. Ooh. Oh. School. Ooh. Zoo. Ooh. Coop. Oot. Hoot. Ooh. Oh. Tool. Oot. Scoot. Ooh. Oh. Pool. The other sound that OO makes is Our first word with is wood. 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 Cook. Book. Hook. Hood. Wool. Brook. Rook. Soot. And that's all of our words today for the two sounds of OO. Thank you for listening and reading with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye!